Hi, welcome back to the Is Experience. I'm Iz, and today we're going to organize our DIY built-in spice rack. Let's get to it. I lost the footage of putting in the wallpaper inside the spice rack. So I have a pic, but I don't have the actual footage of me doing that. I was going to intro this with a spice joke, but I couldn't find the time. Get it? Isn't that the cutest? He made me the spice rack, and I was, using it I just right now emptied it off a little bit. All these spices that I have over here on this lovely, I'm moving the camera. On this lovely rack, they were all in my cabinet in the kitchen. Our kitchen is in a process of being renovated, but also I'm trying to organize and rearrange. You know me. I ordered these cute spice bottles that I'm going to use on my new spice rack. And so I'm going to transfer all the spices that I have from these lovely bottles and these lovely bottles into these lovely bottles. I already did some of the salt. Before I start, because I don't want my hands to smell. From the, you know what I mean? Like some of the spices are like, and you don't want your hands to be stinky. So we're gonna wear gloves for this experiment that we're doing. Not really an experiment. Okay, let me show you what came. Ready? 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 First of all, a little funnel that you can pour. Yeah, see? In case you have a big spicy thing, I guess. Also, labels for all of your spices. Look at all these labels. I don't think I'm gonna have to print any labels, but if I do, it'll be fun. And then, cute, and the lids come off, and you have that. You see it? It has so you can shake it out, or you can actually pop it up and do whatever, or you can just take this whole thing off if you're cooking and you need to use one of the spices. These are little llamas. My daughter bought these for us for a Christmas, I think, one of our Christmases together, because my husband likes llamas or those other things that are like llamas, but they're different. I mean, they look like llamas, but I'll put the thing down here when I figure out what it is. Anyway, aren't they cute? But we've never really used them for that. I just use them to kind of decorate my kitchen. Okay, anyway, so we're done with that. Let's get our little funnel out here. And I don't know, I guess maybe I should label the bottle first. What do you think? Should I label the bottle first with what I'm putting in there? How do these even work? Let's see if we can open these and figure out how they work. I mean, they're labels. Let's see, it's gonna be that difficult, but let us see. Let us see what these are. So, we'll pretend there's a trash can there. There isn't. Okay, so, oh, that's the label. So this just tells you what's in here, like what the labels are that are in here, because these, I'm just going to, can you just stand it? They're here. These are the labels. So like it says, sunflower seeds, the seeds of sunflowers, sunflower seeds, oolong tea, thyme leaves. Oh, it literally has everything. I don't know if you can even see it. Can you see the printing on there? Probably not. I don't know. Maybe not. Can't tell. Anyway, that's what's on here. So I can put it on my little whatchamacall. You know what I just realized? I'm not putting anything in here till these are washed. We're gonna wash all these, let them dry, and then we'll come back. And we're back. Let's start with this one. I guess I have to get some more. I could fill this up with like 20 of these because this is the little bottle that I got it from. Yeah, so the next time I get allspice or whatever, I can just fill it up. Here's the issue. Now this thing has allspice in it and I have to wash it. So I think what I'm going to do is just try to get as many of these done without using this. Maybe even get like a little piece of paper, roll it up, put it on top of here and do it that way. Because like I said, it's in there. So now I don't want allspice with my cinnamon or my chili powder or what, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna use something else. Like maybe rolled up paper or just try to pour it in and see how well it does. Thanks for watching, and keep life spicy. See you in the next one.